top specification, highest powered diesel engine, registered within the last couple of weeks, delivery miles, does not get any better than a Defender 90 D350 X-Dynamic HSE. It's done a couple of 100 miles. The colour is Carpathian Grey, which you pay for as an added extra on top of over and above any normal metallic. It's then been fully exterior styled, bonnet vents, canards, black pack, wide arches, functional pod lights. So it's got the look that everyone would want. And then that HSE specification plus air suspension. So there's nothing missing from this car, in my opinion, from a passenger 5-seat 90. Wide arches just give it that more aggressive look in gloss black, working lovely with the Carpathian. You've got the bonnet inserts, side vents, front and rear mud flaps. Look at the 22, so upgraded 22s, multi-spokes, and with it having that air suspension, it just sits nice and low to that wheel arch. Functional pod light, sorry. Let me have your attention and have a little look in the back. So 5-seater. Now, I think a lot of people have a perception that the 90s don't come with a lot of space, but they do. So your rear passenger space is very similar to that in a 110. You've got the sliding pan roof. You put the seat back, it's quite straightforward. You just slide that back once you're in. Your front seats are heated and ventilated. And then when you get to the back, you've got that nice short wheelbase, easy to drive in cities, wherever, rural, if you want to go off-road, you've got that air suspension, huge fixed spoiler, clear lights on the back, or tinted lights on the back, sorry. Air suspension, if you need to control it, you can control from this little cluster here. It even comes with your little boot train there as well to keep everything as clean as it should be. Condition, usually talk about on the cars that have any amount of miles on them, but on this car there's no real discussion about condition because it's come straight from Land Rover. You've got the spare wheel cover on the back, and then this is where they step up on a HSE, so you get all the driver tech spec features that will help you drive it. Instead of having a standard sound system, doesn't only just have Meridian, it has Meridian Surround. The front seats, like I've just mentioned, are heated and cooled, but they're also electrically adjustable with memory setting function down here. So if it is a family car and there's a couple of you driving it, you don't argue over who's left the seat in the wrong position. Start her up. I said a couple of hundred, it's done 17 miles. I've probably walked further this week than how far this car's gone, so it's absolutely close to new as you possibly can get. Sliding pan roof, which covers pretty much the whole roof, so you get a lot of light, a lot of air, especially in the summer around the corner. That's going to come in handy. Your air suspension, not only can you control it from the back, importantly you can control it from here. So if you needed a bit of ground clearance because you were going up a farm track, rural road, high curb, whatever it is, or if you want it lower so it looks a little bit cooler and sits a bit nicer on those 22s, you can do that. Your heated seats, cooled seats, and also your climate control. We brush past this a lot now, but they've also got a heated front windscreen as well, which not a lot of brands have. Land Rover have it. Huge tablet display with it being a HSE and a model year 25. And with it being a model year 25, you also get wireless charger, angled, got your centre console underneath there, cup holders, USBs absolutely everywhere, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, lane keep assist. So it's got absolutely everything. D350 as well, that's crucial you remember. X-Dynamic HSE, 17 miles. It doesn't really get much better than that. So if you're in the market for the top of the tree Defender 90, this one is going live. Any questions on how you can buy it through different funding options, or if you have a part exchange you maybe need value in, or just any questions you generally want answering, then feel free to give me a call. My name is Paddy. You'll find my number in the description above and I'll answer any questions that you've got.